Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening a capable file manager and granting storage permissions so it can read external and internal directories. Once done, enable hidden files and SD card access to reveal archived folders. You should also set the apps indexing or media scan option if available, because it speeds search. Now navigate to primary storage or an SD mount and keep the app search bar ready. You'll use it immediately to locate compressed formats like zip and rar. You use the file manager's search and type extensions such as zip, rar, 7z, tar, or gz to find archives quickly. Then apply filters, size to find large archives, date to catch recent downloads, or specific folders like downloads and WhatsApp media. Make sure to sort by name or size to move obvious candidates to the top. If your app supports regex or advanced filters, combine extensions with paths to narrow results and avoid unrelated matches. You should preview an archive's contents because that lets you confirm what's inside before extracting and save space. Next, choose extract to a designated folder and verify files open correctly, images, documents, or installers. If extraction fails, make sure the archive app has full storage permission and the archive isn't corrupted. Re-download the file from the source if needed. Finally, once verified, delete duplicates or move originals to cloud storage to free local.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.